we had to reroute the wires and drill a hole through here through the bumper bar because they were coming up and would have interfered with the composite panels. So that got fixed up yesterday, and we've done all these packers on top of the frame, because the company that's applying the glue for the stick the floor down and all the panels is suggested that it's got to have at least 1 mil of glue to 2 mil, so we're relying on this to give us 1 mil of glue minimum. So that's what they've suggested, so that's what we're going for. And we're using this product here, Fix Tech. It's made in Australia, in Queensland somewhere. So yeah, the bloke there, Troy, was very helpful. So and all it is a clean up one where Styromax use a Henkel one, and which is an imported one. So it's Australian.
See how we go. That's on Monday. We'll do that. Grit. Open it up and then we'll wipe it down with some methone after discussing it with the people who supplied the panels. Getting ready for the floor tomorrow. So it's the morning of the floor installation, and we've sanded it back there, and we're going to wipe it down with methone. We've got a tarp on because of the heat and unfortunately possible thunderstorms this afternoon. So I've got the caulking gun all set up, and we're getting 6 burly fellas to come and help us put it on there. Marking the joists, all the framework, metal framework onto the bottom of the floor. I'm going to scuff it up and clean it up. You're just here for the muscle work.
I'm just here to get a tan, to be honest.
Just scuffing up the where all the metal frame goes. Our friend Ray.
In early Jan when he passed away, so I to go down and do that each summer. So it's nice down there, it's a good beach.
Yeah, so yeah. They just put it over that too. Yeah, I was thinking that once I've done it. I started putting it over, so I'll do that. That's all right.
What's the plan, Dad? Tell us the
Plan
plan.
is to get that floor.
We're vlogging, mate. We're vlogging.
What's the plan?
The plan is 3 on either side,
Yep.
and then we're going to walk it in here and then drop it on the subframe,
Lob it in there, boss.
and then we'll clamp it, jig clamp it, and then we'll screw it.
Oh yeah. Do you think it'll work out okay?
Time will tell.
If it does it,
You can do it. This looks too easy. Pebby. You're not really following what you said you were going to do, did you?
Yep. Right, against it. You right, you're in? Hands on the Yeah, we've got to cramp it.
Can I put it down?
I'm going down now.
Are we going down?
Ah, really? How easy was that?
It's not.
Clamping down.
Where the cross members are, that's where the packers are, so we cramp it on top of the packers.
Yeah, right.
oh yeah.
What are we doing now, Dad? Busy. Papa, what are you doing now?
We're just gluing down the floor, because the floor's got a bit of a bow when they made it, so we've got to try and get it down flat.
Get it down flat.
Flat.
So they've put up the water buckets to help weigh down the centre. Because it was a little bit bowy. Got Matt doing a little measuring.
Is that close enough to? Oh, that's close enough to hook it on.
Yeah.
The hook it on.